You've been sitting all day, haven't you? I know the feeling. I've got a stretch for you, and you don't even need to get up to do it. So take a breath, stay seated, and give your body a little thank you stretch. We're gonna do a figure 4. Take one foot and cross it over your other leg. Keep your back straight, push down gently on your knee, and you might feel it now, but if you need a little bit more, lean forwards. And hold that for around 30 seconds. Sitting for long periods can tighten your glutes and reduce your hip movement, which puts tension on your lower back. By doing this stretch, you'll increase your hip mobility and ease the tension in your back, even while seated. Your hips, your glutes, and your back will all thank you. Make sure to share this with someone who could also use the help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Up the